Welcome to all children. This is grade 5 science. In previous class we have learned about safety and first aid, right? So in that class we have discussed about first aid for cuts and scratches and first aid for fracture, first aid for burns, right? Today we are going to discuss about how to give first aid for nosebleeds and how to give first aid for sprains and how to give first aid for animal bites. Okay, so the saliva of animal like dogs, cats and monkeys contains viruses, so it is very dangerous. Okay, it causes disease, so that is called rabies. Okay, so if that animals bite means we should wash the bitten part with soap and water to wash away germs. Okay, then we should bring them to the doctor immediately, so they will give the injection. Okay, so it will prevent from the disease, the rabies disease. And then how to give first aid for the snake bite. When a poisonous snake such as cobra, so if the snake bites means what happen, it inject poison into the person, and this poison injected by the snake travel through the blood and affects the heart or other organs also. Okay, so what we should do immediately means we should not move the person. Okay, so if we move means what happen, it is the poison is easily spread through the blood, it affects the heart immediately. Okay, so we should not move that person and apply a tight bandage just above the bite to stop the flow of blood to the heart. So first we should give the bandage, tight bandage above the bite, and then we should bring them to the hospital immediately, so the doctor may give antivenom injection, so it will prevent. Okay, and then we should not apply any ice packs on that wound. Okay, katta wound, and poison the victim such that the bite lies below the level of the heart. And then first aid for the nosebleed. So how to give first aid for nosebleed? So if the person get nosebleed means sit down and lean slightly forward, keeping your head above your heart will make your nose bleed less. Okay, lean forward so the blood will drain out of your nose instead of down the back of your throat. If you lean back, you may swallow the blood. So these cause the vomiting and diarrhea. Okay. So use your thumb and index fingers, squeeze the nose to stop the bleeding. So hold and pinch the soft portion of the nose carefully for 5 to at least 5 minutes, so it will stop the bleeding. Next, first aid for the sprains. So what does mean by sprain means? So that is when a ligament is stretched too far, it can tear. So when this happens, the joint will become painful and swell. So that is called sprain. So sprains are caused when a joint is forced to move into an unnatural position. Okay, so one ankle causes a sprain to the ligaments around the ankle. So that is twisted. It will happen because of the twisted. So if pain is too much, you should go to the hospital. Okay, so if it is that pain is very less, we can take treated at home. Okay, so how can we treat? Support and rest the sprain area. Put a tight bandage around the sprain for support. And then We should not put pressure on the joint. Should not apply any pressure on the joint. And never massage the sprain to make it go away. So we should not give any massage and give sufficient support to the sprain area, especially for hands and legs. And put cold water pack. We should give the cold water pack on the sprain area. And after 24 hours of the sprain, put some salt in warm water. Okay, and do not massage it and not give fermentation to the sprain area immediately. We should not fermentation to the sprain area immediately. And do not put any pressure on the sprain area till the swelling reduces. So we should not give any pressure on that area. Do not go to an unqualified person. So we should go the doctor. Okay children, now we are going to answer the question. You should answer the questions. Okay. First one, which of the following can cause fire? Electrical fault, gas leak, both A and B. Say the answer. Very good. D is animal bite. Which is the answer? Both A and B, electrical fault. And second question, all doors and windows should be open in case of a gas leak, fracture, animal bite and poisoning. Which is correct answer? Very good. Gas leakage. We should try to avoid accident by following food, food rules, safety rules, fracture rules and none of these. Which is the answer? Very good. Safety rules. A cloth sling can be used to prevent movements in case of burns, fractures, animal bites and poisoning. Where it should be used? In fractures. The paste of baking soda can be applied for sprains, snake bites, bee sting, wasp stings. Where we have applied bee stings. Very good. And fill in the blanks. Why handling burning matchsticks can cause fire? Carefulness or carelessness? Answer is carelessness. Dash cloths catch fire easily. Synthetic cloth or natural cloth? Answer is synthetic cloth. Small fires can be put out using a fire extinguisher, fire engine. Which is the answer? Fire extinguisher. Very good. In case of minor burns, a dash cream should be applied on a burnt area. Antiseptic or face cream? Antiseptic cream. Very good. Dash can be applied for wasp sting. vinegar or baking soda? Which is the answer? Vinegar. Write two examples of the following. Things that cause fire if carelessly handled. Candles, iron and firecrackers. Things used to give first aid in case of burns. Antiseptic cream and paste of baking soda. Two animals whose bite can cause rabies. Answer: dogs and cats. Write one word for the following. Special instrument used to put out small fires. Fire extinguisher. Answer is fire extinguisher. Immediate help given to an injured person. Very good. First aid. A crack in a bone is called fracture.